In this video, I'm going to be talking about how this Amazon KDP works. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a self-publishing platform that allows authors to publish their books in both digital, so Kindle ebooks, and print formats. And you can sell them directly on Amazon's websites worldwide. It is free to use, and you will still retain full rights to your work. So, I'm going to give you a breakdown of the process. First, you have the publishing process. The process of publishing a book on KDP can be broken down in a few key steps: the account setup, preparing the files, book details and upload, setting the price and royalties, and then the publication. So, to start, you will create a KDP account. You can visit the website, choose on the option here to publish, or sign in, join KDP, and then go through the registration process using your Amazon account. You will also need to provide your personal and tax information as well as your bank account details for receiving royalty payments. A crucial step then is to prepare a formatted manuscript and a professionally designed book cover. Amazon expects various file formats for your book's interior. They recommend using a well-formatted file like an EPUB or KPF, Kindle Package Format, created with their free Kindle Create tool. Then you will upload a high-resolution cover file. After all of this is done, on the KDP dashboard you will enter all of the book's details including the title, author name, a compelling description, keywords and categories, upload your manuscript and cover files, and decide your book's price and royalty options. The royalty rates will vary depending on the book format and the actual price. Once you've made all of these steps, you submit the book for publication and they will review and publish a book within 72 hours. KDP supports two main types of books. You will have Kindle ebooks, so it becomes available for instant download on Kindle devices and apps, and you have two main royalty options: 70% royalty or 35% royalty depending on the price of your ebook. And then you have print on demand for paperback and hardcover books. This means that a physical copy of your book is not printed until a customer orders it. This is going to eliminate the need for authors to pay large print runs and store inventory. But KDP offers a royalty rate on print books, either 50% or 60% depending on the list price. Printing costs are going to be subtracted from this amount, so keep all of that in mind. So you will be able to do marketing promotion using KDP Select, Amazon Advertising, and the Author Central. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you grasp a better understanding of Amazon KDP, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.